What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. We are in beautiful Moab, Utah.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
We got Clinton over there doing his intro as well, but I beat him to the punchline with beautiful Moab. So anyways, we are down here for EJS. We figured what better way to come down here but for EJS and invade it with a Toyota. So we brought the Toyota and we're getting ready to air down and go run Poison Spider. So it should be a good day wheeling. All right, delivery. It's even wrapped up nice and fancy for you.
This is sweet.
Turns out the spare shaft is a winner. We got a little bit of a broken one in there. Dude, that jack is on point. I can't laugh because that's what I carry in the Toyota because they're small and light.
You know what's stupid? I brought a floor jack, like a small trail floor jack. Forgot to move it from the tow rig into this thing.
Right? There you go. find that spot where it's pinching their wire. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's excursion of wheeling. It was super awesome, finally getting to wheel with Dirt Garage. Hopefully.
And his unreliable piece of crap.
Yeah, technically we both had issues like the first turn. I had a crank sensor that like was coming out and it wasn't reading the reluctor wheel.
I had a broken burf and a truck that doesn't run very well.
Yeah, a couple broken or burnt fuses. Being
A
iffy.
couple?
Yeah, I mean like 30. Not
Yeah,
big.
like
I mean it was still a good run though.
it was, and I'm glad that it at least made it to where we turned around without having issues.
Yeah, it sucks when you have to get towed Moab just because you don't really have crap for brakes, but other than that, the trail was awesome. Little Toyota did alright, I suppose. I think the Tacoma and K5 did better, but it did good. We're going to address a couple things in the front later, but for now, we're getting aired up, and then we're going to head back to town, get some food, and probably call it a night. Get a couple
Sounds
beers.
great.
See you later.